Alright, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. This morning, hopped in the Surron. We're gonna go out for a little morning ride, and I heard a little sound. I don't know, like a louder sound on the belt. So I'm not sure if it's just a little dirt buildup or what the hell that is, but I've only got, what's it, 69 miles on this thing. So, just trying to figure out if it was a little water and dirt that got up in there, what I can do to keep it lubricated or flowing smoothly. So I don't know what to do, but I might have to look that up. If anybody knows, leave a comment. How's everyone doing today? Good? I'm good. Ooh, let's take it this way. Still trying to figure out lays of the land over here. I don't really know where I'm at. Just cruising around. Can I get you over there or over here? So I don't know, the belt is supposed to be that loud, but I haven't noticed it that loud before, so this feels a little weird, I think it's kind of weird, but okay, I know where I'm at now. Get up there. So I don't know, man, it's kind of quiet because of that belt. 68 miles, it's not like I've sprayed it down and cleaned it like really, really good, but I didn't expect for it to be like, making this loud sound already. It doesn't sound normal. Hey, good morning. How you doing? So, with that being said, I don't know how far I want to take it because I don't know. I'm just trying to ride around and feel her out to see what's going on with it. It feels pretty fine. It feels okay. I mean, it's pretty linear and all that, so For some reason, there's something there. I don't know, I'm gonna have to take a look at it. I'm gonna have to ask around and find out from some comments, get some insight from people, what they do. I don't know, when something's wrong too, when something don't feel right, I hate that, because it's just like an uneasy kind of feeling where you don't know if something's wrong or not. And I don't need to be out on the trail 20 minutes from home and have this chain or this belt break on me. That's the worst. It's got to be the worst feeling. I guess we will be pushing this junk home. I know not where I'm going. I'm just going. A little bike action there. Do I miss my MT-07? Yes. But, you know, like I said, I wasn't about that riding anymore. At least not for yet. I might get a supermoto down the line. Anybody getting like a supermoto and getting it street legal, tagging it up. Right now we having fun with this mother. And yeah, here. Alright, I'm trying to find a new location to ride. You never know where these places pop up. This belt, man, I really want to hit the... I really want to hit some trails this morning, you know, go to different trails, but like I said, I don't want to get fucked up out there. don't think it's nothing major. I just think that I need to maybe whatever the maintenance you do to that belt. I don't know if you're supposed to WD-40 it or what, but yeah, buddy. So what's new with these bikes? You know what I mean? What's next? That's what I'm trying to ask myself. What's next? It's basically how the bike holds up. You know, the bike holds up, I'm gonna leave it alone. But right now, this belt and the brakes feeling a little squonky. It's like, you know, I feel like the brakes are a pretty budget, so if you're gonna upgrade something, I will upgrade that. Same thing with the suspension, but I'm not gonna mess with the suspension right now. I'm gonna give it some more time. I don't know. I'm gonna get to the bottom of it though. If something's wrong, I can't leave it alone. I gotta find out. Especially if you're gonna be out here riding, over here sending it like in sport mode, sending it, cutting my wire and all that, which I didn't do yet, but. Thanks, guys. Alright, so it looks like I'm gonna take this sucker apart and see what we got. See if we can do anything to help the issue, find any dirt, debris, stuff like that. So let y'all know how it goes on the next one. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Peace out.